The presence of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which promises laptop-level speed, is largely responsible for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series' apparent power. However, the impending Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 could take things to a whole new level. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is anticipated to have at least 20% more power than its predecessor while still exhibiting remarkable energy economy, according to leaker Digital Chat Station. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is anticipated to be used by numerous additional premium Android phones scheduled for release in 2026, not only Samsung. However, additional power can come with a bigger price tag. According to reports, Qualcomm may raise the price of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in the same way that they did for the original Snapdragon 8 Elite. We may be in for 2 years of price increases, beginning with the Galaxy S25 and continuing through the Galaxy S26, if these speculations are accurate. Previous rumors of a price increase for the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra are refuted by the leak. According to the Greek website Techmaniacs, which cites a trustworthy source, Samsung is reintroducing its well-liked storage doubling promotion for pre-orders. This implies that you will receive 512 gigs of storage for free if you pre-order a base model with 256 gigs. The Galaxy S25 series will be priced the same as the S24 lineup, despite the higher production costs, according to this leak, despite reports of price increases. Buyers should rejoice if it turns out to be the case. Although many of the specifications were already alluded to in earlier leaks, the leak also verified a couple of them. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor will be included in all European editions of the Galaxy S25. The base model will have 12 GB of RAM, up from the S24's 8 GB. Although the Super model will gain a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor, the camera technology won't undergo any significant improvements. It is anticipated that battery capacities, charging rates, and display specifications would remain unchanged from the S24 series. Although these information are intriguing, the final word won't be known until the actual debut. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.